So in this Shopify tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to add a payment method here on Shopify. So once Shopify is opened up, I want you guys to go to this left side here, then just scroll down to where it says settings. Then once you're on the settings page right here, go to where it says billing on this left hand side. Then where you're on the billing page right here where it says current billing cycle, this is where you're going to go ahead and actually, pay your billing cycle, per month on Shopify here. So this isn't what the customers are paying. This is what you're paying to pay for your subscription here. So once that is done, you can go ahead and select add payment method. Then once you guys are here, you can go ahead and select the payment method here. So there's credit card or PayPal. You can type in your credit card number, the expiry date, the CVV, the country, the name of your store, so your first name, your last name, etc., the address, and all this stuff. And if this looks good to go, you can press add credit card right there, and then you can have your credit card or your PayPal on file, which can then pay your subscription per month here on a Shopify. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add a payment method here on Shopify. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.